This is a pendulum. By moving a hand during a pendulum, you can draw different shapes with your poi head. You can make a vertical line with your hand, and the poi head traces a small circle. You can move your hand back and forth against the pendulum to isolate it, making it smaller. You can make a small circle with your hand to make a small circle with the poi head. You can make a line with your poi head like this. Lastly, you can make a full extension with your arm that draws a line at the top and a half circle along the bottom. With these ideas, here are some tricks with pendulums.
Do a pendulum with your top hand and spin your bottom hand continuously. Have your hands 2 poi lengths apart so the poi heads pass the middle together. Get the timing perfect so the poi heads always meet right in the center. As the pendulum swings to one side, the poi heads pass the center going the same way. As it swings back, the poi heads pass going opposite directions. If you start from a butterfly, lift a pendulum out of it, and you can alternate which hand pendulums on top. This move has a nice slow effect that contrasts well with fast spinning. Now, facing the side, start split time at your hips. Pendulum one hand back and up as you cross your body with the other hand to meet it. The poi heads pass the middle together. Let the pendulum swing out front, then back into same direction circles. Watch again. You raise the pendulum up to make a distance of 2 poi lengths between your hands. This works out of a weave the same way. It also works from together time same direction, going either one at a time or continuous. This particular variation is also called the 1.5 beat weave, or 1.5. From any timing, using proportion opens more possibilities. Bring your hands to just 1 poi length apart, and make the hand of your pendulum follow exactly the path of the opposite poi head. Next, with the same pendulum pattern, bring your hands all the way together. Changing something so simple results in a totally different look to the move. Keep playing with these ideas. You could enter from any move, or do the whole thing behind your back or under your leg.